Welcome to this video. Today we will show you how to find hundreds of courses related to the digital humanities. The platform to find these courses is the DH Course Registry. At the moment we are on the landing page of the DH Course Registry. Right now there are two options to search for courses in the DH Course Registry. One option is the map view, where you can search using the map. Another one is the list view, where you can search via the help of filters. So let's say I'm interested in doing my year abroad in Ireland. If I want to do that, I can go to the map view and zoom into Ireland. Then I can see that there are 5 different courses or programs in Ireland. There is 1 in Dublin and 4 in Cork. I'm interested in staying in Cork, and there I have a PhD program, a BA program, and 2 master's programs. If you click, for example, on this MA in Digital Arts and Humanities, you'll get a blue box showing more detailed information. So you will find out that the University of Cork is offering this program and that it's an MA program. When you click on details, you get even more information, including a short description of said MA program, which institution is offering it, which language it's in, and also the URL that directly links you to the university's website. There you can find out even more. An interesting button is also the share button here on the right side. With this share button, I can directly share the link to this course with my friends and colleagues at university, either via email or also via Twitter or Facebook. If you click on this Back to List button on the left side, you'll be taken to a list of all the courses in Cork. Then you can see if there is another course you might be even more interested in than the one we were currently looking at. If you click on the Digital Humanities Course Registry logo, you'll be taken back to the landing page. Another option to find courses is to search the list by using filters. I can set different filters to narrow down my search. I can filter via country, city, language, discipline, or even education type. So for example, I can choose whether I'm interested in a BA program, a master's program, or a summer school. There's also the option to search for online or on-campus teaching. Let's say personally I'm interested in a specific discipline. Then I'll head to the discipline filter and select one of them that are included in the DH Course Registry. As an example, let's say I want to learn more about human language technologies. Then I'll go back up and choose that one. To start my search, I'll click on the X. What happens now is that I'll get a list of programs and courses related to human language technologies around the world. I can also view them on the map. There you can see that we have several courses and programs in Europe, but also 3 options in the United States. So you can choose between a variety of locations. For instance, France, Italy, the Netherlands, Austria, Latvia, or any other location. Again, you can click on any of the search results and get more information by clicking on details. Like in the map view, you have the share button here and all the details you need. Of course, you can always return to the list by clicking back to list and choosing another interesting course and finding out more about it. Maybe that one is the right one for you. When you're looking at the landing page, you'll also see these 2 buttons here. One is the login button, but this is not really relevant for you as students. It's only for teachers and lecturers who want to include their courses in the DH Course Registry. What's more interesting for you is the info button. If you click on that one, you can find more information about the DH Course Registry there. For example, you can get a detailed how to use manual, or simply find this video again if you have some more questions. And you can find our contact information. If you want to contact us or report a bug, you can use this contact form. We hope that you can find your course with the help of the DH Course Registry and that you enjoyed this video.